got so much stuff done. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm driving with, okay, 2 hands on the wheel, 2 hands on the wheel. I'm driving with Andy. We are doing some fun stuff today. I am so excited for this vlog. We are heading out to our property right now. We saw it on Tuesday and they started on the framing and they got a ton of work done in like 3 days. So since Tuesday, we're guessing they might have like even finished the 2nd floor, which is so exciting. We're getting like our roof on next week. Like they are cranking it out. So we're stopping by there. Then we're going out to my parents' house. We come bearing gifts for like everyone. I got my sister some stuff. Because she's going through some stuff right now. I got my dad some stuff because he is retired. Actually, he's like semi-retiring, but it's a super big deal. So I just picked him up like some little apple fritters from the bakery because he loves those. And my mom, I don't have anything for her, but I even got a little toy for Brody, which let me show you guys. It's this little toy. I don't know if you guys remember, if any of you guys have seen my BarkBox unboxings ages ago. He got a moose toy very similar to this, a little bit longer, but it's his favorite toy ever and he has torn it to shreds. I tried looking online for the exact brand and could not find that toy. So I saw this. It makes the same sound as the other one, so I'm hoping he loves it so my mom can throw away the other one. So we're heading out to the house right now and see you guys there. They got so much stuff done. It's insane. Oh my gosh. You excited?
Oh yeah. We'll get it on.
Here's the living room. All right, let me come in from the front door. Here's the living room this way. They have like a generator running or thing over there. Here's gonna be my office. And the view is amazing. Over here is gonna be a half bath. You come in and our living room's gonna go all the way up and be open. All these windows, the living room, kitchen's over there. There's gonna be our stairs. Gonna be upstairs. Here's our bedroom over here. We're out here working, so I don't want to be in the way. This is gonna be our bedroom. This is all our room over here. That's the toilet room. And then our bathroom's gonna be in here. Our shower is gonna be up against this wall. These beautiful windows. And then that in there, there's a lot of boards up right now that weren't here the other day. That is Andy's closet. And over here, it's hard to see with this time of day. It's like noon right now. Over here is gonna be my closet. I'll have to come back when they're not working. And some of these, it wasn't like this the other day. You can kind of see better. There's a lot of boards everywhere. Yeah, I lost Andy. I need his help to get out of here. Catch me!
Jump, jump. Oh, well, you need to count to 3.
I just jumped.
Take a leap of faith. I could have dropped you.
I trusted you. It's so bright. It's hard to see on camera because it's like direct noon.
You got good lighting here though. We'll wake up to the sun.
It's gonna be very bright. This is gonna be, we don't have much space in the backyard because we have to put a retaining wall. Like this is huge. It's gonna be like nice stone here, but then we have a patio. So it's gonna be really, really tight in the back because this house floor plan, even though it's an acre, it doesn't, it barely fits on here, which is insane. But we were able to get a nice size like side yard over here, which is super nice. And that pile is gonna come down. So we'll probably do a little fire pit to look out over the beautiful view. Have you been a good boy? Whoa, whoa. I got a surprise for you. I come bearing gifts. Look what I got, look what I got. What's that? Is that gonna be your new favorite? She's like, what is this? Do you like your new toy? Do you like it? Gifts, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Here, Happy early retirement.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're
That's just
welcome.
what I need.
Happy retirement.
Got balloons too.
No, that's for Amber. Well, I bet you guys didn't expect the next scene would be me laying in bed at like 9 o'clock at night. I had a humongous vlogger fail today, and honestly, I didn't even think about picking up the camera. Like, I just enjoyed time with my family. The guys were getting stuff done around my parents' house. So needless to say, like, this is what happened, but that's just life sometimes. The biggest reason I wanted to pop out the vlog camera today was to track the journey on our house, because they are getting work done so quickly, which we are so excited about. And I haven't vlogged really much of anything besides like the excavating of the land, and they've already like are almost done framing, so I really just wanted to get some of that on vlogs for our own memories and just get as much of the process as I can. So I'm gonna call it quits here, but I'm gonna pop back on here tomorrow and make this a true vlog for you guys and definitely be better. We got a lot going on tomorrow, so it'll be a lot more interesting, a lot of stuff to do, a lot of organizing I want to do around the house, and just some errands. I'm gonna get some sleep in 3, 2, I'm awake. So that was like the fastest sleep ever. I'm about to get dressed because Andy and I are going rock climbing, and I haven't been in so long. I've been watching a ton of rock climbing documentaries, so I've just been like on a kick. I want to go, I want to get good, I want to go climb El Cap. Like, it's a problem, but we just need to get going for the day. We just got here, we've already done one wall. Didn't pop out the camera yet. But this guy has no idea what he's doing.
That's not that bad. Wanna try it?
Huh?
Wanna try it?
Sure. Don't let me die. You could commentate, it's alright.
I'll let the video do the talking. Let your climbing do the talking. You need to speak louder, nobody can hear you.
What?
Take two, let's go, take two. Take two. There you go, find one, you grab it, you kick off, keep pulling.
Are you an expert?
I made it to the top on all of them.
I did it.
Yes, I did.
We made it! Almost. Almost there. Woo! Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Put your left foot there and your right foot there. Uh-oh, might be in trouble here. There you go, look. Kick that left foot on the wedge, yep. She didn't touch it. Nope. Nope.
I didn't think I was gonna make it.
You didn't make it, you didn't touch the last one.
It's so cheeky.
You didn't touch the last one.
Yes, I did. I jumped and touched it.
No, you didn't.
You're lying. It's all
Good job though for everything else.
So how do you like it? I don't think we've ever been like legit rock climbing together.
Scary.
Scary? Are we gonna get a membership now? I kinda want to and get good.
If it's not too expensive.
Andy's over here thinking he could do like 5'9s and 5'10s. We can't get off the ground on a 5'9. Let's see it. Oh, what happened? What happened? You got it. Aww.
See, like, I thought that was pink.
Yeah, sure.
I saw it was orange.
Well, now that we used every muscle in our body that we haven't used in ages.
Who's we?
Okay, maybe just me. I think we worked up some ice cream, like for sure.
The hop.
The hop. We have never been there, and it's on the way home. So let's go try some new ice cream. What? No. So it definitely wasn't closed. Someone doesn't know how to map Quest.
No, they have like
kidding.
30 different names.
There is a lot of different locations, so it's supposed to be open all day. It is so sunny. This is like the first warm day we've had in a long time.
Good? I got a strawberry Waffle cone.
I feel like every time I try your strawberry, I love it, but I'm like, do I really want a whole thing of strawberry? Be good?
Show you.
Which one do you like better? No more fun, no more ice cream. We have been cleaning for like the past couple hours and just organizing and decluttering, and it's just been a hot mess. But I wanted to show you guys because you guys see my filming room a lot and I get sent a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to organize this closet because this closet has kind of been just like all my extra random stuff, which I hate doing. But I hate just getting rid of stuff, and I know I have a lot of family members. The problem is I don't always get to see them, so I'm like holding on to all this stuff to give them. So I'm gonna try to like make it more organized and make more room in this closet. So this is terrible before. This closet has gotten out of hand because now I have like my spray tan system in here. That's my puzzle board that could probably fit behind the door. And then just some clothes and stuff. And then this all needs to be organized, like all my puzzles and stuff like that. Games, this could be organized a little better. Like the games and stuff could go up there, and then this needs to be just organized. Okay, so we're like in the closet view now. First thing, I'm just going, oh my gosh, everything's so heavy. I'm just gonna take all the big stuff out so I can make room in here. I have like light cases and like drone bags and all of that. So that gets a little crazy. These are just like, I don't even know what these are, just cords. But I have quite a few bags. I have these 2 bags and this bag here of things I'm getting rid of, and that already takes up a ton of room in the closet. I also have this that I will just, I think I'm gonna run this stuff to Plato's Closet and then hold on to whatever doesn't sell for my cousin. So I'm just going to try to fit all of this in there for now. And I have these wild leggings that were from a video Andy and I did, so my younger cousin might like those. So over here I have a ton of craft stuff. I don't do a ton of DIYs on my channel anymore, but I feel like a lot of it is still really good to have. Some of this I could definitely get rid of. And then on top here, I keep like a lot of my, this is my old camera I'm trying to sell. In these drawers, I have all these cloths that I used to use in the background of my videos. And then in here, I have like extra makeup stuff. So I might just try to... So then down here, what I think I'm gonna do on the very bottom drawer is put my, it's probably not the best place to put my extra lenses and stuff, like microphones, my camera. This one kind of like died out, so I'm just trying to sell it like for parts and stuff, because they still, even when they sell for parts, go for like pretty expensive. It's a little better. I want to seriously go through this when we get ready to move. Right now I'm just trying to organize and get rid of what I can. But when we move, I definitely want to like super go through it. Like I might even get rid of kind of all this craft stuff. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. So then I just have my little camera tripod, which I used to use sometimes for like Instagram slime videos. Still definitely going to keep this, and my GoPro stick. So I'm just gonna leave this over to the side here. I just have my boxes. I like to keep these. I just got a new iPad and a pencil, so I'm just gonna keep these stacked neatly. I also have my camera box. I don't know, lately I usually just throw these away, but when they start to get so pricey, I'm like, I'm gonna keep this in case I wanna sell it and upgrade. I have all the original equipment, manuals, all that. So I'm just gonna keep that nice and neat, stacked on here. It doesn't take up that much space. So that's good. One thing I do have in here, I think I'm just gonna stick it on the side. I don't know if I want to keep this. I feel like I should. This was my wedding planner book. It's kind of like a mess and disorganized, but there's like a lot of memories and places we used, and I don't know. I might hold on to this till my sister gets married, and then I might pass it along. Where am I going to put this stuff? I have some crafts that I actually do use. I just don't really have a spot. I should probably get like a bin for it, like a larger bin. I have just all these pretty colored pens and paints for like coloring and painting, like the adult coloring books. So I guess I could just stack them neatly on the side over here. And then the only last thing I have, I should really start to use this up, is I used to make candles all the time. I've been thinking about doing it again recently, just like making my old candles, reusing old jars. It's really, really easy and it's fun too. So I have like candle making supplies. I have some of my favorite scents. I have the little wicks, and then I have a big bag of wax. So maybe I'll actually do that like later or something. But for now, I guess I'll just stack that all neatly in the corner until I have better organization for it. So this is it now, much better. I'm gonna vacuum in here before I do anything else. There's just kind of where I stacked things. I think that's okay there for now. It's not too bad. This is like, we replaced this crappy light with like a fan in one of the bedrooms, so we're gonna put this when we move out. So I guess that'll just stay there for now. I need to get a stool so I can put some more games up there and organize these games a little better. Believe it or not, I think this is a lot of improvement just because I have a lot more stuff in here. Like for example, I had those lights just like sitting by my bookshelf out here, and I also had my old desktop, which we don't have set up yet, but that's going to be Andy's once we move into our house. And we have 2 desks. Right now we just have like mine over on the desk over there. So I think it's a lot better. So I was able to put my tanning stuff in here too, which is nice. I cleared off this shelf and just keeping it here for now, just for storage. And then I did all my puzzles up there. I know I have a puzzle problem. And then our games over here. Over here we keep our drone bag hanging. This is just like my crochet stuff and more tech stuff. This is like really old equipment, like some of my first cameras ever on YouTube. I need to go through this like when we move. And then I organized all this stuff down here. So I think it's good. I was able to put my puzzle board behind the door, so you can actually walk in, and I can now shut the door. So that is a huge bonus. Now my only problem is these bags still. These are the stuff I'm getting rid of. This stuff on top here, I'm seeing if my sister wants when she comes over tomorrow. The rest of the stuff is for my cousin, and then I'll take the rest to Goodwill. So it's a bit of a process. I'm not sure where I'm gonna keep that, honestly. I'm just glad I got all this stuff put away. It looks so much better. I'm so happy. So maybe this will just stay here for now.